Good morning, Sean. An autopsy has been completed on a New Hampshire man who died after suffering gunshot wounds in a shooting at his home last week. The New Hampshire Attorney General's office announced Monday that 48-year-old James Eckert, who was pronounced dead late Friday after he was taken to a hospital in critical condition, died of a single gunshot wound to the head. Officials said his manner of death was a homicide. Authorities said James Eckert and 50-year-old Liziette Eckert were found with gunshot wounds Friday morning inside a home in Alton. Liziette Eckert was pronounced dead at the scene. An autopsy revealed she died as a result of a single gunshot wound to the head. Before James Eckert's death, authorities arrested and charged an 11-year-old boy with 1 count of second-degree murder and 1 count of attempted murder. It wasn't known if additional charges would be filed. Authorities have not said if the boy has any connection to the Eckerts. The Attorney General's office had said in a news release that since the alleged perpetrator is a juvenile, the law prohibits any further information from being released. The investigation into the death of Liziette and James Eckert is ongoing, officials said. Reporting live here outside the New Hampshire Attorney General's office in Concord, New Hampshire, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Sean, back over to you.